we have two similar triangles, how we are going to use a proportional sides and a measure of each corresponding angles. Once we have two similar triangles, what do you know about the angles? في similar triangle. Hmm. Similar triangles. What do you know about the probability? Sorry, the probabilities when we have two similar triangles. Yes, ya Bomika.
The angles are equal in measure.
The angles are equal in measure. Which angles, ya Bomika? Each two corresponding angles.
Corresponding.
Okay, so with similar triangles, we have each two corresponding angles are equal in measure, and what else? So we have each two corresponding each two corresponding angles are equal in measure. What else? Each two. What about sides? What about sides? Each two corresponding sides are what?
Are equal in width.
No, are not equal.
Proportional.
Are proportional. Yes, each two corresponding sides are proportional. And what the meaning of proportional? What the meaning of proportional? They have the same ratio. They have the same ratio. So once we know that the two triangles are similar, then we have to know that each two corresponding angles are equal in measure and each two corresponding sides are proportional. Even when we want to prove that two triangles are similar, then we are look for one from those two conditions. Okay, what are the cases to prove that the two triangles are similar? How we can prove? How we can prove two triangles are similar? Huh? How many cases did we study in this chapter? Only Bomika, no? Only Bomika? The cases. The cases to prove that the two triangles are similar, which we studied in this chapter. Yes, Hana Hani.
We have side angle side.
Side angle side في similar. Two similar. Two similar triangle. What are the conditions to prove that two triangles are similar?
By side, side, side.
Side, side, side. Okay. How you would prove that they are similar by using side, side, side?
That we will make sure that every side are proportional.
Every side, each two corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. Thank you. What else? Farah Mahla.
Yes, Musah.
Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
Which cases did we study about similar triangles? Did you remember one case?
Angle, angle, side.
Angle, angle, side, or angle, angle?
Yes, angle, angle.
Angle, angle. Angle, angle. Okay. And what else? Anyone can tell us, please? Which sides to prove that the two triangles are similar? Two triangles are similar. Laura.
Side, angle, side.
Side, angle, side. Then we will prove that two triangles are similar by using side, angle, side. Agree with her? Anyone disagree? Adham.
Yes, Miss.
Agree with her? She said that we can prove that two triangles are similar by using side. Agree with her? Which cases did we study to prove that the two triangles are similar? Agree with her or disagree? Which cases did we study to prove that the two triangles are similar? Bomika.
Congruent or no?
No, I'm not talking about congruent. I'm talking about similar. I'm talking about similar. Adham.
صح.
Yes.
Angle, side, side, angle. Not sure.
Angle, side, side, angle. Hey, grade 9. We can prove that the two triangles are similar by using angle, angle, or by using side, 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 or by using side, angle, side. Okay, then the three cases which we studied for prove that the two triangles are similar by using angle, angle, side, angle, side, and side, side, side. So please don't confuse between three cases for similar and congruent. We will move now to the second. Determine whether the triangle are similar. If so, write a similarity statement and explain your reason. In those two triangles in front of you now, they will be similar or not. They will be similar or not. What do you note about the sides here in this question, grade 9? What do you note?
Yes, they are similar.
Yes, they are similar. What do you note about the sides here? They are what?
Parallel.
Parallel. And once we have two parallel lines, then we have to deal with alternate angles or corresponding angles or interior angles. Do you see any corresponding angles in this figure? Do you have any corresponding angles in
Yes.
this figure? Corresponding? Do you see letter F?
No, alternate.
We said Z, alternate angle. We said F, corresponding angles, and U, like interior angle, which their sum together will be 180 degrees, right? So, interior 180 degrees, corresponding, they will be equal. One side of the transversal, alternate angle, they will be equal and measure, letter Z. So in this question, which letter you can see in this question?
Z.
Z.
That.
Letter Z.
It will
Then
be alternate.
alternate. Very good. Then angle V, it will be equal with
Y.
Y. Yes.
Y.
Yes. And we have angle W will be
X.
equal with X, right? And already we have at the middle, we have vertical angle, right?
Vertical angles.
Vertical angle. Then in this case, we will prove that the two triangles will be similar by using angle similarity. Once you can find two angles, two corresponding angles are equal in measure, then we will verify that the two triangle will be similar by using angle. How we can prove? You are going just to write that those two triangles will be similar because we have yx parallel with VW and we have alternate interior angles. Okay, and we have a vertical angle. Then each two corresponding angles are equal in measure, so the figure will be similar. Okay, so this is the first case. What about the second one? The second one, how we can prove that those two triangles will be similar or not. He said, determine whether the triangle, then you can say yes, or you can say no. If you can find the condition to prove that the two triangles are similar, then you are welcome. If you can't find the condition, then you will say no. What do you not here? He gave us what? In this question, he gave us what?
Two sides and one angle.
Two sides and one angle. Do we have a case called side angle side? Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we have,
Yes.
right? Then we will check now because we are looking for two corresponding angles are two corresponding sides are proportional, right? Then you cannot here in this question, he gave us right angle and right angle, right? In triangle ABC, he gave us the legs. But in triangle DFE, he gave us what? What?
The angle.
No, beside the angle, he gave us what? Side and the hypotenuse. Right? He said give it side and the hypotenuse. Then we have to use what? Grade 8, grade 9? Huh? Pythagorean theorem. Very good. Because this one now is not enough information to prove that the two triangles are similar. Right? Then we will use Pythagorean theorem to find the third side, and then we will start to compare between the two corresponding sides. Okay? Then we will use Pythagorean theorem for the first triangle. Then FE, it's a side, so we will use FD is a side, so we can say that FD all to the power of 2 plus EF all to the power of 2 equal 10 to the power of 2. Then we will find the length of EF, it will be equal 8. For the second one, we are looking for the hypotenuse, so it will be 3 square plus 4 square, it will be equal 5. Now we note that we have 5 and 10, right? So 5 over 10, it will be, we want to prove that the triangle ABC, right? So we will start from a triangle ABC and second DFE. So we will put now each side over its corresponding one. So AB over DF, it will be 3 out of 6, it will be half. AC over FE, it will be half. Therefore, the two sides are proportional, have the same ratio, and we already have angle 90, then the two triangles will be similar by using side angle side. Okay? Third, those two triangles are similar. Did he give us any information about the angles?
No.
No. Then for sure we are going to deal with what? Side, right? Then we will find each side and its corresponding one. We can note that we have TU over GH. TU over GH. It will be 6 out of 4 equal 3 out of 2. And after that, we have TV over GF, 8 over 5. And the last one, it will be VU over FH, so it will be 3 out of 2. These ratios are equal?
No.
No, then the triangle will not be similar.
Not be similar.
So the triangle, they will not be similar.
Be similar.
Then we have another example for this one. Also, we will find the measure for each the length of each corresponding side. We will note that they have the same ratio. Then the two triangles are similar. Then for sure, In the exam, it's not a secret. I'm going to give you question related to this part, which is, we will prove that two triangles are similar. We talk about how many cases till now? How many cases? 3 cases.
3.
The first case is
Angle, angle,
angle, right? The second case is
Yes.
side,
Right angle, side.
side. The third case is
Side,
side. Okay? Is this hard to prove?
No.
This is the first part. So you have 4 questions here related to this part. Second, the second part of questions, when you have already 2 triangles are similar, and you will prove the proportionality or to the corresponding angles. Here you have a question. In this question, this is a multiple choice question. In the figure, AB intersect with DE. Once you have 2 lines are intersecting, then which angle you have to find it, or you will find it here in this one. If you have 2 lines are intersecting.
Vertical angle.
Vertical angle, thank you. So he said here in this question, which additional information would you be enough to prove that the 2 triangles are similar? You are looking for angle DAC to be congruent with ECB, and now they will be similar, or AC and BC are congruent, or AD and EB are parallel, or angle CBE is a right angle. Which choice it will be correct here? Which one you are looking for? Which one? How you can prove that those 2 triangles, which additional condition? He said only that those 2 lines are intersecting, and that's it.
AD and EB are parallel.
Yes, exactly. We are looking for AD and EB are parallel, because once you have those 2 lines are parallel, then they will be what? You have 2 alternate angles and 2 alternate angles, and you have vertical, and then the 2 triangles, they will be similar. Okay? So the additional reason here to find AD and EB are parallel. Okay? Here in this question, identify the similar triangle, find the measure of KL. Then you will say first that the 2 figures are congruent, are similar, and then we will find the measure of the length of KL. We are looking for 2 conditions, right? So in this question, he determined that angle what? Angle X congruent with what?
J.
With J, right? And angle Y congruent with
K.
K. So I have 2 angles are equal in measure, right? And for sure the third angle, they will be equal in measure. Yes. So we can prove that the 2 triangles are similar by using angle. Okay? Now, once we prove that the 2 triangles are similar, then we can use a proportional relation, which it will be XY over JK, YZ over KL, XZ over JL. And then you will substitute, okay, the part which you are looking for. Then KL over KJ equal YZ over XY, then X over 4 equal 15 over 5. Then you will make cross product, 5 times X equal 5X, 4 times 15, it will be equal 60, and then you will simplify to find the value of X. Then first, we proved that the 2 triangles are similar by using angle, and then we use a proportional sides. Another question. In this question, how we can prove that those 2 triangles are similar? How we can prove that those 2 triangles are similar? He gave us what? In this question, he gave us what? It's very clear. You have which 2 triangles we are going to talk about? It will be triangle QSV
S
V
and
and
RST.
RST.
Exactly. You can note that we have V and T corresponding angles, and we have angle S is a common angle. Then the two triangles are similar. Then we will use the same way. The two triangles are similar. Then QV over RT equal VS over TS. Then QS over RS, and then we will substitute. Okay? Then each question we are going to search about which condition we can verify that the two triangles are similar. Understood? Any question till now?
Yes.
Yes, tell me. Any question?
No.
Okay. Those two triangles. Determine whether the triangle are similar. If so, write the similarity statement. If not, say why. In this question, let me ask you, did he mention any parallel sign in the question? Did he mention any parallel sign? He put
No.
arrows over the side?
No.
No.
No. For this reason, don't try to use parallel and corresponding and so on. So please don't confuse between those two type of questions. When you have parallel line, then you are going to use corresponding angle and common angle, and the two triangle, they will be similar by using side. In this question, he didn't mention any sign for parallel. Then for sure, we are going to deal with two sides are proportional. Then we will only write el triangle, or sorry, el side UZ over what? U.
UY.
UY, exactly. So it will be UZ over UY, and then UX over
UW.
and then XZ over XY.
WY.
Only. You will simplify. You will note that they have the same ratio. Then the two triangle, they will be similar by using side. Okay? Anything hard till now?
No.
Okay. Let's move to the next question. In this question, طبعا you have a sheet at home, you can print it, but my target now to just remind you, because I know that we took this one and we took an exercise about it, but I'm only try to revise with my dear students. The next question. We finished this question? Yes? The same idea, two triangles. Those two triangles, they will be similar by what? Grade 9. Those two triangles.
By side and side.
By
angle.
Angle, right? Because he mentioned that we have two angles are similar, and we will use vertical angle, and then we will use a proportional side. What else do we have? Yes, in this question. He said in this question that we know that angle CFA, which is right angle, similar with or congruent with DFE, right? All right angles are congruent. And also, he mentioned that angle B equal 22 and angle C equal 22. So we can prove what, grade 9 in this question?
These two triangles are similar by angle.
Thank you. These two triangles are similar by using angle. Now we will use proportional sides. He's looking for DB and CB. Then how you will write a proportional side? CF over CF over DF equal FA over FB equal FA over DB. Then you will choose which part you are looking for. Okay? Is there anyone don't know how we can write a proportional sides? You will use first and second like this, CF over DF, and then FA over FB, and then FA over DB. Then you will only substitute. You will make cross product, and then you will distribute, and then you will answer it like a normal solving equation. Okay, X equal to, we will take it and you will back to replace to find the length of BD and CB. So all the questions, they have the same idea. To prove that the two triangles are similar, and then you will replace by using a proportional sides. Okay, if you will go through all the questions which you have it in this sheet, you will find that all of them discuss the same idea. Question number 23, this question only you need to make convert. That's it. Yani in case if you have question like this, you want only to make convert. This question. He said at the beginning that sports, when Allison, who is 5 feet 11 inch tall, stands next to the basketball goal, his shadow is 2 feet long, and the basketball shadow is 4 feet 4 inches long. About how tall is the basket goal? We are going to make a sketch for this situation, and then we will, in the shadow problem, you can assume that the angle formed by the sun's ray with the two objects are congruent. So the two objects form the sides of the two right triangles. يعني أي question related to الطول والshadow, it's just an application about two right triangles. We'll figure which we have it in front of us. How we can prove that those two figures are similar? By angle, because we can note that we have two corresponding angles and we have a common angle, so we can prove that those two triangles are similar by using angle. Okay, also only the part which you will find it in this question to convert. That's it in this question. 5 feet 11 inch, you know that for each 1 feet 12 inches, right? Then 5 times 12 equals 60 plus 11 equals 71. 2 feet 24 inches. 4 feet 4 times 12 equal 48 plus 4 equal 52. After that, you are going to use a proportional sides, and then you will find the value of x. Then this is the ideas which we are going to cover it in our term exam, which is related to a similar triangle. Okay, all the questions have the same idea. All the questions have the same idea. What about this question, which is in front of you, grade 9? How we can solve this question? What do you note?
Parallel.
Parallel lines.
Sorry.
So once we have parallel lines, so we have
A similar triangle.
we have what?
Similar triangle.
Similar triangle. By which case? Angle. Angle. Once you have, listen, two parallel lines, so I have angle QRS with angle P corresponding, QSR with angle T corresponding, and we have Q is a reflexive angle. Then the two triangles, they will be similar, and then we will write a proportional proportionality, QS over QP, RS over PT, and then QS over QT. Okay, then you will find the missing side. Is there anyone can't remember this part till now?